We spent $50 and had a wonderful time visiting with them. Just fantastic people. We've been to this sale before. It's an older couple who used to sell in the Hagel shop downtown Kingsport. And if you remember those Fenton perfume bottle stoppers that I had and sold, I think I might have one left, I'm not sure. But this is the same house. It's a neat trunk, 125. That's pretty too. Too big to ship these days. Cub Scouts dollars. And this older mark is not a vintage one. I've got Boy Scout stuff listed. I might pick that up. Add it to my basket. All right, we'll keep looking around here. Oh, so cool. 400. I wouldn't want to ship this either. It's down to 35. I need smalls. Small stuff. Look at this cute little chick. Made in Japan. Is that 25 cents or $25? I think it's 25 cents. It's cute. And we need smalls. We can't ship some of these big things, you know, like that. I think that's a hair receiver. What's that say? Germany. I don't know. It's a possibility. It's a shell shape. Made in Japan, Royal Crown. My favorite thing, cookie cutters. He says, no, I have enough cookie cutters.
You know what I did one year on my Christmas tree?
What's that?
I had 10 one year.
Any trees with cookie cutters?
No, not all of them cookie cutters, just the one in the kitchen had cookie cutters.
I have one of these listed already. And that's not a bad price. $3.
Yeah, I think it was the only year we put.
Might pick up another one.
As we get older, it's not quite as much fun as it is
Right,
when
right, it's
we're
just
young.
more.
$6 each. Oh, that stopper's a little bit loose. $10. That is sweet. It's vinyl. Got a weird feel because it's vinyl.
of these are vintage.
Okay, yeah.
Excuse me.
Pardon me.
And then that church is cool too. Is that ceramic?
It is.
Okay. All
You
right.
need me to reach?
No, I don't know. I like it, but I'm not sure. Older stuff is cool.
Like me.
Yeah, like you. You're vintage. I'm vintage too.
I'm antique.
If we're lucky, we'll become antique.
We had a shop with her.
I know. And you decide not to go back in, huh?
Well,
That's
we decided it's not worth our health to be here.
um.
We're getting older, and my
Can you
husband's
read that
82
one?
and I'm 78. So
Well, you look great. Mark is what going to be?
71.
I'm going on 65, so it's a unique face. And they're negotiable, so on prices. Other glassware. Oh, this is that blue sapphire. No, it's Fire King. Fire King blue sapphire. Little mini casserole. It's lid, $4. Oh, that's a neat clock. Says it Schmid Schunkler clock. That is cool. Oh, it's broken. Seth Thomas. Could sell it for parts. Oh, that's broken too.
Yeah.
I just picked up and this clock, the Seth Thomas is broken. And she might be down to where that's the kind of stuff there is, you know.
Look at this. There's a little tray.
Well, those are little
Inside the
trays, snack trays, or they could be ashtrays. This has an L on it, doesn't it? Or
Sort of.
sort of. How much is that? Oh, it's
Ollie.
$1?
I think it's a one.
Can you check for sure? 15 needs ribbon. Electric 2. It works.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, this. Oh, she brought the church down where we could see it. Oh, it's a craft project, 1981. It's sweet. I don't know, Mark. What is this? What is this made from? Is that wood or resin? This is sweet. It's a little trinket box, porcelain. Doesn't say what country. I don't know if it said Japan there or not. I know Mark said I don't need any smalls right now, but I might do that. It's left-in trinket box, little shoe. I think I'll get that for $2. Oh, it's plastic. It's 15. With the crystals. Trinket. I think I'm going to do the stamp holder for $5. And then there's a bag of stamps here I'm eyeing for. It's 10 right now.
Can I get a cute Russian
But it would be cool to put them all together. still shopping the sale. Found this basket for $1 and 2 brass easels too. I'm going to see if she'll do 2 for $3. We spent $50 and had a wonderful time visiting with them. Just fantastic people.